On today's virtual tour, we talk about getting rid of that soaking tub, a sliced pebble shower floor, and a new furniture style vanity. Hey everybody, Scott Mundy with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today's virtual tour is Bath Crate Tuscany Drive in Manteca. I really want to show you this master bathroom because I think what we did there is some really impressive modifications that you will enjoy. So the first thing I want to point out to you is the fact we eliminated that old soaking tub. So often these days people want to get rid of those old tubs. They really just create a spot to collect dust and maybe you can hang your swimsuit over the side of it. But other than that, they're kind of useless. So what this customer did is they made this shower larger. Beautiful frameless glass enclosure, sliced pebble shower floor, of course sloped to the drain, and then a great 12 by 24 wall tile with an accent strip and a niche for your soaps and shampoos and things like that. Just a beautiful shower. Next, I want to point out the freestanding vanity. This is more of a furniture style vanity, sits actually on top of the floor, much more on trend with modern style as opposed to the built-in version, in a nice dark espresso. And of course, instead of that tub, they added this kind of nice little makeup area, makeup counter. Last but not least, a beautiful porcelain tile that simulates wood, super durable, very warm. This bathroom has it all. Once again, Bath Crate Tuscany Drive in Manteca. If you'd like to see more, go to kbCRATE.com or 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.